Hello students, in our previous class on indefinite integral, I discussed about some problems on method of substitution. Today I will discuss also some other problems on the same method of substitution. Let's see. Mainly I am following the S in the book, but all these problems you can find well in any other All India mathematics books on indefinite integrals. So let's see one problem. Integration dx by 1 plus e to the power x by 2. Now we have to solve, we have to integrate this with the help of method of substitution. Let's see how can I proceed. First, multiply numerator and denominator with e to the power minus x by 2. Now take this numerator as a new variable, say z. So let us suppose e to the power minus x by 2 plus 1 equals to z. Okay. Now take differentials on both sides. Minus of e to the power minus x by 2 dx equals to dz. Okay. dz. So see, e to the power minus x by 2, that is numerator has come. So we took the denominator e to the power minus x by 2 plus 1 as z. Z is the new variable there. So just put these things. Minus 2, we can take minus 2 out of the integral. Minus 2 dz by z. Minus 2, and we know very well integration dz by z is 1 by log mod z. Minus 2 log mod z plus c equals to, just put the value of z, we took there e to the power minus x by 2 plus 1. So this is the answer. Well, let us take another problem. So remember, you have to substitute that function on your integral which after taking differentials will get you the numerator or something which is in your integral. You have to remember these things. Root tan x by cos to the power 4x dx. This is a purely trigonometric function. The integrand here is purely a trigonometric function. So let's see how can I deal with this integral. Well, first we can write 1 by cos to the power 4x as sec square x into sec square x dx. I parted sec square into sec square. 1 by cos to the power 4 as sec square into sec square. So what will be the benefit out of it? See, now if you take root tan x as z, you will get this sec square dx part. See, so let us suppose Let's suppose root tan x equals to z, or tan x equals to z square. So this will give you, after taking differentials of both sides, sec square x dx equals to 2z dz, right? See, this part has come on the left hand side. So just replace x square x dx by 2z dz in this integral. See. Now, root tan x equals to z, z here, sec square. There is a class 10 trigonometric formula, sec square equals to 1 plus tan square. So just put sec square is 1 plus tan square. Tan square means z to the power 4. Because tan x is z square, so tan square will be z4. Very easy. And this part, sec square x dx is 2z dz, z dz. So you can take 2 out, because 2 is constant here. 2 integration z square, just I'm parting all these things, z square dz plus 2 z to the power 4 dz. See what happens to z cube by 3 plus 2 z to the power 7 by 7. Let's see. With the help of the formula, integration x to the power n dx equals to x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. I just applied that formula here. 2/3. So z is, we can say tan x whole to the power half. So tan x whole to the power half. That means 3 by 2 will come, plus 2 by 7 tan x whole to the power 7 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. See. Next,